Welcome back to the Adrianster channel. It's been a long time and we're back with another video, and this is something really special. It's the Rhino model of Venador LP800-4, I believe. Let me just check. LP700-4. Well, I was wrong. But this is extremely special because you have those beautiful scissor doors that I will take a look after. I'm just gonna introduce how I got this model. So this is basically the outer box. You have this little mop to clean the car if you leave any fingerprints on it, which is pretty nice. Feels pretty premium. Much better from Rhino model. I mean, you have that magnetic box. The box itself is quite nice. I've already unscrewed it to save us some time. So it comes in a acrylic box. Nothing special here. Pretty basic. But what is special is these scissor doors. I mean, first of all, let's just take a look at how this resin model looks. The exhaust tips, very, very nice, but they aren't very straight, as you can see. A shame, because the rest of the car is absolutely phenomenal. You have those scissor doors, the interior very nice, the steering wheel a little too big. Oh, I just touched the doors. That's a little yeah, let's just close the doors. Let me just show y'all. Look at that. You have to go a little sideways and then push them in. Here you go, same thing here. Close the doors, push them in, and they fit very, very snug. Very, very nice. And this, of course, you can close it. Very, very, very nice. LP700-4 Roadster. Absolutely phenomenal. I mean, look at the carbon fiber, the gloss on that. Absolutely phenomenal. The interior pretty nice. And to open the door, pretty simple. Just pull up, push it to the side. You have to push it to the side like this, and then just pull it up, and it locks in place. I mean, this is so good from Rhino model. I just want to see other other brands do this. This is phenomenal. So the retail price on these is around 30 to 35 US dollars, depending on the colorway and the availability. I got this for 25 US dollars. I know some can be more than 30, and honestly, for these scissor doors, it feels special, and I feel it's worth it. The car does roll a little. Wouldn't count on it though. Yeah, it's not really great, but it can roll if you really force it down. Yeah, you see, it does roll, but I wouldn't. Yeah, honestly, super, super, super nice model. Look at these. Oh my goodness, look at these doors. The scissor doors really change everything. I mean, look at that. That is so nice. I just, wow. Wow, wow, wow. I mean, look at the color. The way it shines is so beautiful. Absolutely phenomenal. Now, to get the engine hood back up, I do need a little assistance from something like this. A toothpick. There you go. Magnificent. Wow. Super glad I bought this. If you can find one, do buy it. I recommend it. Super unique. Cars with scissor doors and a displayable engine engine cover that comes up. What you call that? It's not really a hood. I mean, look at that. You can see the V12. It's pretty long there. Very, very, very nice. Absolutely banger. Honestly, Rhino model. Please make more colorways. More models. I mean, look at these doors. It just looks, the doors really, really carry the model up. this is fantastic. This is absolutely fantastic. This is a 10 out of 10 car. I really recommend it, and there's nothing more I can say. This is fantastic. Thank you guys for watching. Bye bye.